Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best Magic Bullet blender. Starting at number 5. Oster BLSTPB-WBL. We were pleasantly surprised by how well the Oster My Blend pureed hummus and blended frozen fruit for a personal-sized bullet blender. The portable cup is good for those on the go, while the capacity is ideal for a single serving. While the operation process is straightforward, getting the Oster to blend was another story. The blender turned on by pushing and turning the blending cup into the motor base, which was somewhat finicky. We often had to try multiple times to get the blender to work. The sporty design is also not the most attractive option. That being said, the Oster will serve those who want a personal-sized blender. Blend your favorite smoothie or shake right in the sport bottle. Dishwasher-safe 20-ounce BPA-free plastic sport bottle. Crush ice with 400 watts of power, 250 blending watts, 1-touch blending action. The product voltage range is 110 V. Coming at number 4. Cincred Personal Blender. Don't be fooled by the compact size, the Cincred countertop blender packs a punch. During our blending test, it produced exceptionally fine coffee grounds and velvety smoothies. The max fill lines were easy to read, and the blender was even easier to operate. The portable, slim design takes up virtually no kitchen counter space. This design means you can leave it out, so it's more accessible for busy mornings. Our main complaints with the Cincred are that it's not the most powerful option and the blending cup capacity is minimal. However, if you want a compact option that whips up a mean beverage, you'll be pleased with what the Cincred has to offer. At number 3. NutriBullet RX N17. The NutriBullet RX has a lot of tricks up its sleeve. This blender comes with a hardbound recipe book that features quizzes corresponding to color-coordinated recipes. While this is certainly a perk, the NutriRX doesn't need a fancy book to convince us of its worth. This bullet blender can produce hot or cold recipes, making it highly versatile. We loved how its high-power pulverized ingredients with minimal effort and created the creamiest smoothies of all the products we tested. While we always appreciate versatility, there's a learning curve for how to operate the hot and cold functions and how all the gigantic pieces fit together. However, once you get the hang of it, we think you'll dig the temperature functions as much as we do. Number 2 of my list. Magic Bullet Blender. Over the years, the NutriBullet Magic Bullet has built up a cult following and is one of the most recognizable bullet blenders on the market. After testing the Magic Bullet, we see what the hype is all about. It boasts a classic design, great performance, and an affordable price tag. The multiple blending cups are ideal for food prep, making this an excellent option for getting dinner ready when entertaining guests. The drawback is the low wattage motor. This design increased our blending time when attempting to reach the desired consistency. It does come at a cost, but it also comes with an array of additional accessories. We believe that the Magic Bullet is a solid buy that will stand up to repeated use. And number 1. Ninja Personal Blender. Impeccable performance and quality construction earned the Ninja Fit the top spot in our review. The mid-range power of 700 watts hits the sweet spot of satisfying all your blending needs without going full-on pro. The Fit passed our blending test with flying colors from drinks to dips. We are particularly fond of the exceptional quality and design of the dual blending cups, alongside the matching leak-proof lids. As for what we weren't fond of, there wasn't much. The one improvement we would recommend is incorporating an on-off switch. The current design requires you to press down the jar to operate, making it impossible to multitask. Other than this minor detail, we recommend the Fit to anyone in the market for a bullet blender. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.